Hello guys, this is Crocs on the daily time frame and it looks ugly to me. Why? Well, the first thing that I identify is this head and shoulder pattern. Now, this if you are conservative, we can say that this pattern has been broken. Actually, if you're not conservative, this pattern has been broken already. Okay? But if you're more conservative, then you could say, well, we haven't broken it yet. So that's totally up to you, but it's still a head and shoulder. Um, we could kind of figure out where the stock is going using Fibonacci. And to do that, I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to draw Fibonacci. So Fibonacci, I'm going to use this top, this bottom, and then the lower high. And that's it. Fibonacci is 113 all the way down to the 161% move at 104. 104 that is kind of in line with this kind of level of accumulation phase. Okay, so that's it. This is the Fibonacci 161. And it could very well happen. I mean, it's only 11 points, so it's about less than 10% to the downside. I believe. To check really quick all the indicators, starting with the moving averages. Well, the moving averages are bearish. Why? Because the 50 is curling and pointing down. The 20 is curling and pointing down. The 5 is pointing down. And 5 is below the 20 is below the 50, and also the price closed below the 5. So that's all bearish to me. There is not really, and there isn't another way to look at this. Indicators. MACD going down, and also it's diverging even more, and it's approaching the zero level here, which is, it can be really nasty if it goes below. The RSI is going down, and the PMO is cross to the bulls and cross to the bears and going down and diverging even more. Still above the zero line, but it's diverging. So I don't know, guys. It looks really bad to me. I wanted to open a short position on Friday, but it went down too much, and I don't like to buy on big red days. Also, it has been red for 6 days in a row, so I would expect a bounce at some point, especially because there is no volume here and no volume here. So I believe if we go down on Monday, we could easily bounce back up and maybe retest the 20 days double exponential moving average. God knows, maybe the 50, who knows. So that's all I have for Crocs. Overall, it doesn't look like a good time to start a bearish position here, a bullish position here. So the Bears, I think, are going to be really fine here, and I'm looking to enter a short position